Imagine walking into your home after a long day and being greeted by a warm, perfectly lit living room, your favorite playlist already playing softly in the background, and your smart fridge gently reminding you of the ingredients you need to grab for dinner. Welcome to the world of smart homes powered by AI. In today's video, we're going to explore how you can transform your living space into a cutting-edge smart home using the latest AI technology. We'll dive into the top tools and techniques that make your home more efficient, secure, and enjoyable. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the full potential of your living space, all thanks to AI. 1. Voice assistants and smart speakers. First up, let's talk about voice assistants and smart speakers. Devices like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri are more than just digital helpers. They're the command centers of your smart home. These voice-activated assistants can control lights, manage your thermostat, play your favorite music, and even order groceries. With AI at the core, they learn from your preferences and routines, making your interactions more intuitive and personalized. Imagine coming home and saying, "I'm home," and having your lights adjust, your thermostat set to your favorite temperature, and your evening playlist start automatically. That's the magic of voice assistants. 2. Smart lighting. Next, let's illuminate our discussion with smart lighting. Smart bulbs and lighting systems from brands like Philips Hue and Lifx allow you to control the brightness, color, and schedule of your lights through an app or voice command. AI-powered features enable your lights to adapt to your daily routine. For instance, your lights can gradually brighten to wake you up naturally in the morning or dim for a relaxing evening. Some systems even use AI to analyze your behavior and adjust the lighting to suit different moods and activities, enhancing your home's atmosphere effortlessly. 3. Smart thermostats. Now let's turn up the heat, metaphorically speaking, with smart thermostats. Devices like Nest and Ecobee use AI to optimize your home's temperature based on your habits and preferences. These smart thermostats learn from your schedule, detect when you're away, and adjust the temperature accordingly to save energy. Imagine coming home to a perfectly warmed house on a chilly day, or having your home cool down while you're away on vacation, all without lifting a finger. AI-driven thermostats not only enhance your comfort, but also help you save on energy bills. 4. Smart security systems. When it comes to keeping your home secure, AI-powered smart security systems are your best ally. These systems work around the clock, providing you with unparalleled peace of mind. From smart cameras and doorbells to advanced smart locks, they offer a blend of security and convenience. Smart locks, for instance, not only secure your home, but also come with real-time alerts if tampering is detected, ensuring you're always informed about your home's safety. Beyond these critical security features, smart locks also excel in everyday convenience. Imagine coming home with your arms full of groceries. There's no need to fumble for keys. With smart locks, you can simply unlock the door with your smartphone. Furthermore, if you're on vacation and need to give a friend temporary access to water your plants, you can do so from anywhere in the world. These systems enhance your home's security and make managing access simpler and more intuitive, blending advanced protection with everyday practicality. 5. Smart appliances. Smart appliances are another advancement in enhancing the intelligence of your home. From refrigerators that can create shopping lists based on what's inside, to washing machines that you can control from your smartphone, AI integration brings convenience to your fingertips. So, imagine a refrigerator that not only keeps track of your groceries, but also suggests recipes based on what you have. Or a washing machine that adjusts the washing cycle based on the type of fabric and level of dirt. AI in appliances simplifies daily tasks and adds a new level of efficiency to your household routines. 6. Smart entertainment systems. Let's not forget about entertainment. AI-powered smart TVs and home entertainment systems offer personalized content recommendations based on your viewing habits. Services like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video use AI algorithms to suggest movies and shows you're likely to enjoy. With smart speakers and audio systems, you can create a surround sound experience tailored to your preferences, all controlled by voice commands. Imagine having your favorite movie start playing just by asking your smart speaker, or having your home theater system adjust automatically to enhance your viewing experience. That's the power of AI. 7. Smart home hubs. To tie it all together, smart home hubs act as the brain of your smart home. Devices like Samsung SmartThings and Hubitat integrate and manage all your AI-powered gadgets from one central point. These hubs coordinate communication between different devices, ensuring they work seamlessly together. With a smart home hub, you can create automation routines, such as turning off the lights and locking the doors when you say goodnight, or setting up complex schedules for various devices. The hub simplifies your smart home experience, making it more cohesive and user-friendly. As you can see, artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing various aspects of our lives, including our living environment. In smart homes, AI-driven tools significantly enhance efficiency, convenience, and personalization. These technologies analyze vast amounts of data to offer tailored recommendations, automate routine tasks, and provide insights that were previously hard to obtain. For instance, AI uses data from interconnected devices to generate actionable insights that improve efficiency, comfort, and security in ways that were challenging with traditional methods. AI's transformative potential includes automating tasks such as turning lights on, adjusting temperatures, and playing your favorite music when you arrive home. By providing real-time insights and adjustments, AI creates a more streamlined and responsive living environment, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life. As we integrate AI into our homes, it's crucial to consider the broader impact of these advancements. AI systems adapt to our needs with remarkable effectiveness, but they rely heavily on the data provided to them. This reliance highlights the importance of careful data handling and responsible use. While we benefit from AI's advanced capabilities, we must remain mindful of these considerations to ensure these innovations continue to enhance our lives in a meaningful and sustainable way for many years to come. And there you have it, your guide to transforming your living space into a smart home with the power of AI. From voice assistants and smart lighting to advanced security systems and intelligent appliances, these technologies are designed to make your life easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. The future of living is here, and it's smarter than ever. But what's next for smart home technology? As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative features that will further integrate our homes into our daily lives. Picture a home that not only responds to your commands, but also anticipates your needs before you even say a word. Imagine intelligent systems that can analyze your habits, predict your preferences, and create an environment tailored perfectly to you. The possibilities are endless, and the future looks incredibly brighter and exciting. So, what are your thoughts on smart homes? Share your ideas in the comments below, and stay tuned as we explore more exciting innovations and their potential impact on your daily life. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our videos. Thanks for watching. Remember, the future is now. Let's embrace it together and make our homes smarter.